In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Beehiiv website in under 5 minutes. First, open Beehiiv.com and log in using the Sign In with Google option for a fast and secure login. Once you're on your dashboard, click on the Design tab, which gives you access to all the tools for adjusting your website's appearance, including fonts, colors, and visuals. Next, navigate to the website builder to edit your newsletter, add new elements, or adjust layouts. This intuitive tool allows you to simply drag and drop components to create the look you want. After you're satisfied with your changes, click Publish Styles to make them live so your audience can enjoy your updated design. By following these steps, you can quickly give your Beehiiv website a refreshed, professional look that reflects your brand, and you can continue experimenting with different layouts and styles to find the perfect fit. In today's